Hazrat Ali was a great warrior, a brilliant strategist, and a man of deep faith. Here are some of his quotes that are still relevant today. He who conquers himself is greater than the one who conquers 1,000 men in battle. This teaches us that the real victory is over our own weaknesses and temptations. The pen of the righteous is more powerful than the sword of the tyrant. This tells us that speaking up for what is right is more important than using force to impose our will on others. Do not bury your talents. If you have them, display them. This encourages us to use our abilities and share our gifts with the world. A good action may be likened to a stone cast into a pond. Its ripples will extend far beyond the circle of the caster. This reminds us that our actions can have a ripple effect on the world around us. So let us strive to be like Hazrat Ali, to conquer ourselves, to speak up for what is right, to use our talents, and to make a positive impact on the world.